Right, Yamu Akabaziba, Aya Indaso and a pay Nkomaboda Basunda is in there, Basunda Autodo, Oya Edunu and Naramachi 24th, Oya November 2025. But the Baza said that the Chipetu Martian, Nagupanasi, Oma de Chuan or Tobacho's are a bit maybe busy. Name is America or Oya and a pay and there. Obin here, that Asura and a pay, said it's Bimpa, Abo Mazanefi Etumina Asru, Asru here, Papa. Na, sir. And that Polopol do none and na Charaka and Desia, Mabosumaso. Yet Domina and Obaja Kutio, Bibaja Medasi, Bibaja Michel, Bisubajan Quintal, can this case on so, Nina Yabra Bonibia. And Tiasa so that Yama Astro Bahinano. Demo or your CCTU at 40 in Nazama Warrior School, where the master Honacha Chiafuno, what Bomutum for the Conibia Deno, in fear do none and the Yebidipa. Nakina Tempona Motion. So the matter like Kinata na VC, I want to obasa first, and Sana via yet me achase. And to man put him a profa, Shannon so that Kinata, while Fry needs on commercial VC Bassa Papa, and the VC Bomazna ya crado. Sunday, baby may fee, baby may budu, in Yakon by 1984, in Yakon automobile for Papa, each day you want some pea, yet 2 million abonapo. Mezzanisi Omar Bin Abdullah. Yeda yosima babi na yakɔhwɛ ɔyɛ National Petroleum Authority for operative one na wotumo boa ma ɔyɛ dwumezi bia yɛtumi zebra ho na ewie akɔkɔ CCTU at 40 dwumezi a wotumo zi ne mu bi na yabɔbɔ nkomo na emom yewie a za aka no yɛbɛde na edi so etum na akyerɛ ɔyɛ Nazimba yenda yosima babi yemra yeba woyɔ ne nkwezizida.
Mido, you're not Biana. I'm going to do a baby soon. Every time I just say, baby, shit. Mangashi.
Junior! I'm saying so enough for me, dear. No.
Sister Cospa, it's a winning gas.
I'm used to it. Why? My wife.
Down Yankanawa.
Ah, Sister Cos. Use gas. Gas ye fast, ye easy, ye convenient.
Let me see your hand.
At Cape Coast Technical University, every step forward is made possible by the generosity of our community. As we celebrate 40 years of excellence, we say thank you for helping us build the future.
I will ensure that the dream of constructing the proposed 40th anniversary student hostel becomes a reality. Finally, I will collaborate with the government and other stakeholders to address all infrastructural challenges as already enumerated.
We are really thankful to all our benefactors who have helped us over the past 40 years with their various donations in various kinds. Today we have a more pressing need, which is to help us put together a 2,500 capacity bed hostel that will help us admit even more people and help us reach our mandate of training as many people as we can with 21st century skills. So we are pleading with you not to give up on us, keep on donating, and you are assured that all your donations will be handled in the most transparent manner possible.
We are in need of accommodation for our beloved students, and currently accommodate less than 10% of student population. Hence, the Vice Chancellor was able to put a team together known as the Legacy Subcommittee of the 40th anniversary to put up a design. And this design has a hostel capacity of 2,500 bed capacity, and is going to be on a 3-acre of land that the university has volunteered to give to us to put up this project. It is a 4-level building, that is a 4-story building, relied on solar energy, or what we call this renewable energy, where we'll be getting our power from the sun. And it's a green building that will focus more on natural source of ventilation and lighting as well. And the proposed amount for this project is 500 million Ghana cedis. That is what we are envisaging as the estimated cost. And as we have indicated, that is what this project seeks to address.
Your contributions have made significant difference in this whole enterprise, and we are truly thankful. Our hostel project remains a top priority with increasing enrollment and limited accommodation. We believe that this will be a game changer for our student population. We therefore call on all alumni and all well-wishers join the Cape Coast Technical University in this noble endeavor. Let's complete what we have just started. Every contribution counts.
To our alumni, your support has been phenomenal, and you have shown the power of unity and pride in our alma mater. Now let us finish what we began last year, and as you are aware, we intend building a 2,500 capacity hostel for students of our technical university, and we require your support and commitment. Now, if you have not given money yet, this is the time. Kindly come on board, donate a peswa, donate a cedi to support the dream. Let's make it a reality, and your support will make the project a reality.
Greetings to you all viewers. My name is John Obeng, the current Cape Coast Technical University SLC president. We, as students of Cape Coast Technical University, are highly overwhelmed with the rapid increase in student population. Just this year, by God's grace, we've been able to increase our population by 112%, which is a good sign development. Nevertheless, this increase comes with a greater need, accessible and adequate accommodation. For these reasons, providing and enhancing accommodation is not just a means of providing a space, but a safe and adequate as well as academically friendly environment where students can strive.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Together, we've come far, but the journey continues. Let's build the future of CCTU, one brick, one bed, one student at a time. Thank you for believing in us.
Arise for your nations, Lord. Reach the bright every corner of the world,
forever. Dear friend, I extend to you a special invitation to a mega book launch happening on the 29th of November 2025 at the School of Graduate Studies Auditorium on the UCC campus. Reverend Esther Dennis will be launching 12 legacy devotionals titled At His Feet. These devotional workbooks also tell stories of great men and women, some of whom have taken the lead to be with the Lord. There are lots of goodies and Christian experiences lined up for your pleasure and learning. Please be there. 29th November, School of Graduate Studies Auditorium, starting at 10 a.m. See you.
You've got times and seasons.
Mido, you're not Biana. I'm going to you about this. Every time I just say, baby, shit. Mangashi.
Junior!
I'm saying so now for maybe the no.
Sister Coast Pa. It's a winning gas.
I'm used to it. Why?
Why? Down Yankana wa.
Sister Coast. Use gas. Gas ye fast, ye easy, ye convenient. And wow.
LPG, let me see your hand. Ooh, I got
Right, yes, I actually am our car, but BM. It just CCTU at 40 into Wakaya quiz against you. Also, what do you know? What do you know? I want to win. No, Abba. Into Eba Boshi Abonkomo, you're a professor, quick Zonkomo. No, Sister Bisu or supporting which you put on a bishi more Karaquanano. And say, Yaku name is that. Sylvester, who's an anchor of Rodden?
From Sylvester, Dadzie.
Not channel fans, all right. What's the meaning of Modupeoluwa? The meaning?
Thank God.
You thank God.
Yeah.
Then Angela, you thank God. Then that's all.
Bedu-Addo.
Bedu-Addo. Your name is Bigo. And Ansah. What Ansah?
Arije Hephzibah.
Arije.
Hephzibah.
Hephzibah means what? You don't know. You are carrying.
It's a Bible name that signifies mother of the nation.
Are you sure?
Mother of nations, yes.
People are watching you. I see. Why do you attend CCTU?
Why do I attend CCTU? Because I want to get a very good degree and be something great in life.
There are many degrees elsewhere. We have degrees at Accra, we have degrees at UCC, we have degree at Uniba, Kumasi. So why CCTU?
Yeah, because I feel like they deal more in technological stuff, and that's my field.
So what course are you reading there?
Computer science.
Computer science?
Yes.
I see. That's you carry a big name. I don't want to find it.
I don't understand.
You don't understand?
Yes.
When Mr. Bisoza and Akaka, in case you don't understand.
I only understand kakran.
Kakra Right, it's a favor how I know. What on different in a fantasy on Ebaka. Right, Sylvester, I also have a course or school.
Procurement and supply chain management.
Hey, what are you going to procure? Procure money or procure items?
Items.
Which year are you?
300.
300.
Yes.
And I see any child category me. Maybe a yes, in a child category. I question category. I buy university sustain category. I educate designer. My boss and sister. I say, Charlie, I will say you read that.
Fashion design and textile.
Correct. One and two and a purple moon can bring them no actually. It pay when I'm who does fashion. I see. It's what's what, Brian?
300.
300.
Yes, please.
Why do you feel Nigeria we read what?
I'm a Ghanaian.
You are Ghanaian?
Yeah.
Why half Nigeria?
Because my mom is a Nigerian.
Why don't you go to school at Nigeria?
Because
that is the decision of my parents.
But your mom is there?
Yeah, my mom is no longer there.
No longer. Your mom is now Ghanaian, not Nigerian.
No, my mom is not alive.
So, where is she now?
She's passed.
Oh, sorry. That's the whole story. Me to my father is passed, so sorry. Don't worry. I say, now, we school you don't pin, you know, where I was into that. I'm going to do the okay kid, and now I can't see. When I talk about Casey, we are talking about a quiz competition. And see, I will never start to order. Tell her to find it. And see, I was into due to me there, a boko, na ekisa can exam. Oh, yeah, with departments. Which department are you?
Department of Computer Science.
Kasikaso and Mama of Kasakasi. What department? I can't hear you.
Computer Science.
Computer Science.
Yes.
So you represent Computer Science department or what?
No, I was representing the school.
You represent this. But I saw applied science people, them things.
Yes. So we have different schools. We have the School of Applied Science and Technology, School of Arts, and like that. We have 6 schools. So I was representing my school, School of Applied Science and Technology.
Represent your school?
Yes.
Which school?
School of Applied Science and Technology.
Okay. From CCTU. So what do you accept to represent your school? As you said, that's my school. What do you represent? Why?
Why do I decide? Why did I decide to
accept that you represent your department? Whilst you have plenty of people over there.
Yeah, because I feel like I can do it.
You feel like I can do it?
Yes, I can go out there and make my school proud of me.
Are you sure? How do you see the questions from the quiz master in terms of giving it out, whilst sometimes you find difficult to answer?
I feel like it was easy, but it was not really direct. Yeah, it was not really direct. It was kind of...
So easy.
It was funny.
Or how he read the question, that's why give you a different mindset altogether. How he read the questions.
Yes.
But the same as when you give it to you, when you say yes, then you get it. Well, why do you find it difficult or what?
It's not that difficult, but the questions were kind of corny. You have to think very deep before you get the right answer.
That's why you are doing quiz. Quiz is thinking. You think before. That's just that. Give me more vibe. What again?
It was interesting. It was easy to me. I'll say it was easy. The ones that I couldn't answer, that was because I never had an idea about it.
You don't have no idea. What about the theme? You didn't get it.
That was because it escaped my mind.
Escape your mind. The date, the time, the venue, the year, all escape your mind. Sure?
Yes, sir.
So right now you can tell me.
The team?
Yes.
Yeah, the team. 40 years of quality, entrepreneurial-oriented, technical and vocational education.
All right, I'll come back to you.
Okay.
Yeah, sister. It was fun tonight, yeah. Until you shared the quiz with department or school, that my sister was in my school. Your school. How do you see it? About telling to me when the quiz master and no questions, no also answering. How do you see all these things?
So the questions were like, we knew the answers, but it's just that the questions were tricky.
You are telling me you knew the answers. What about the team?
We knew the answers, but the questions were tricky, so we didn't really, how would I use the word? Like, we're not really fast to understand the preamble before answering the questions, but we knew that these were the answers when they were being told the answers.
I tell you, didn't you read?
I read.
So why I didn't get the answer?
Because the preambles were tricky.
That's the case. Yeah. You want easy things. We are talking about it's easy to answer, but sometimes you didn't get it. Whose answer? You are the whose answer?
No.
You are what?
Angela.
Angela?
Yes.
I see. So you emerge the winner.
Yes.
At the end of the buy. One for you, oh, I don't understand.
I didn't bring anything.
You didn't get it?
I didn't bring anything.
You are the winner. You want what?
Oh, like what prize did I win?
Oh,
I didn't win. So I had a scholarship for the year.
Okay.
Yes, and I had the prize of 4,000.
You didn't bring it? 4,000. You said 4,000. Can't you mention it?
Yes, please.
4,000 Ghanaian cedis.
Yes, please.
Did you have the money or later they give it to you?
It will be awarded on the Grand Deba.
The Grand Deba?
Yes, please.
Physical cash? I'll come to the Grand Deba. Maybe you collect it. I say, my remember, you share all your quiz master. None of them told to Muchi in a corner for the tomb or business answer. Say, a character baby, I find in Hunda, no more yet. A corner for the tomb answer. Or you
say, Meti, ne, Simbisana. Na mbebe minim answer na ansana like we ba ozu kode we oma question na den kakra nti bwanda modwende za American na oyo na de yoni bia na mbre no so makande usa nti damne ma muntum nka za mpeda maka ne bwanda maka zo nyi da maka mo na meti.
Round 1, round 2, round 3, I find it difficult. And round 1, I am answering to Minka.
Round 1 is not what the film because no, he is young papa. So round 1 is not the film, but about round 2 every year or round 3 now. Now, I dey na adwene nko nsembise no de yi. No ma hodam no wan kwe ama.
Answer. Let's see this. Have you watched What Do You Know before, since your lifetime as a student, before coming to CCTU?
Before coming to CCTU?
Yes.
No.
You haven't? And you don't know the quiz master?
No.
And you haven't watched TV to watch any quiz?
Like any other quiz?
Yes, any other quiz.
Yeah, I watch other quizzes.
You watch other quizzes, but not this quiz master.
I don't know about it.
So when you are giving a little brief about him, that shows that he's very hard in terms of giving questions out, or is cool. I'm talking about the quiz master.
Yeah, to me, according to me, I would say he's cool. That is a quiz, so it's supposed to be more tricky. Yes, but according to me, his questions were very easy. Like what I expected is not what I got, because the PDF, what we were learning, it was like far much than what I got there. The questions they asked were very cheap. The main was that we focused our life on it. We didn't get those kind of questions, and we're very happy because what we got was very cheap. Just that the way he puts the questions were very tricky.
What about the theme? You really understand it?
Which one?
The theme.
That one I didn't focus on it when I was learning.
What?
I didn't focus on it when I was learning.
Why didn't you focus? We are talking about 40 years anniversary. You didn't focus about the theme. What experience have you gained since going and finish the quiz? Now, what experience have you gained? You took part in the quiz.
Okay, I got to understand that whenever I'm learning, I should learn, like I should go more wider in terms of my research. I should not just be in a circle of what I was given or what I have around me. I should learn to always go far when researching. Yes, because that was what happened to me.
Well, so let's see the guesses and process of every human being. Now, we could see a different mindset, different setup when we went to GTV. The first impression of getting to the TV station, the guesses and process of you, is that how the things will go like? How am I going to maybe bring my mind down to understand whatever? So did you get more experience about going to the GTV for this? What do you know?
I don't really understand the question. Are you trying to say I should explain my experience there?
Yeah.
Okay, so at first when I got there, I was okay. Before I left the house, I was okay. Then when we got there, we all took pictures. Everything was okay. But when I got to that stage, I took my seat. I don't know, I was feeling kind of... At first I was not scared. I was like trying to free myself. But when he started speaking, I was like, Jesus. I was like, if he's going to speak like this, how am I going to understand what he's saying? Because he speaks differently, like the way he rolls his tongue and stuff like that. Yeah, it's kind of different. So I was like, so I have to like pay attention to whatever he's saying so that I can get. Because if you could see me on that TV, I was directly looking at his mouth to get the main question from him. And there was noise from the crowd. So when I got there, I was kind of scared. When the first round of the question was going around, it was coming as bonus. Nobody was getting the answer. I've not gotten any mark. I was like, am I going to leave here without 1 mark? So at last I got, so after I was able to answer one question, then I relaxed a bit. That means it's going to be okay. Yes, that was what happened.
All right, thank you. But Angela, you won, and now when you wake up, since you came from that quiz, whether you dream of, whether it's in your head that, oh, maybe you are counting the days to go far because you have 4,000 B to collect, so 4,000 to come earlier. So how do you get some experience in terms of what Owusu Ansah said in terms of how she coped herself before the end of the quiz?
Okay, so for me, this is actually my first time doing anything quizzy. I don't have the courage to participate in any academically quiz something. I feel like I'm an average student and I want to keep that in my examination. I don't want to go above that. And I was scared the first part. I was nervous because I know that I'm good in my own area. And this was like me coming out of my comfort zone, me trying out something new, because I always tell myself that I couldn't do something like this. And even on that stage, I was like, oh my God, when this man was talking and his phonetics were like, I'm like, are we in America? Because like at the first time he asked the question, I knew the answer, but I just couldn't bring myself to like answer the question. I just froze. And me not getting the mark the first time, like, oh no, this is the end of me. I am done. Like, I just told myself that I'm done. But you are in. You can't just get up. Like, just do it. Whatever, anything that comes in, just accept it. And I was really surprised that I won. I didn't believe I was going to win.
Hey.
Yes. I was so nervous.
So what are going? What position exactly do you think that I'm not going to win, but I'll try my best? What position is
Okay, so I told myself that I want to be amongst the first 3. That's what I told myself, but not the first.
I see.
Yes, but I knew that I wanted to be among the first 3. Yeah.
So if that be the case, if you get another opportunity, you have tested the first opportunity, you have met this man, how he do his pronunciation. That shows that you're supposed to do what's more to get to understand him, whatever, what you're supposed to do if you get a chance to go there again.
Okay, so if I get the chance to go there again, I think I have to have a wider range. I don't have to focus on just one, let's say, part of something they've given to me, because it's a general something. So I have to focus on, I have to go wider than my research, and I have to understand the key point he's given in the questions, because when he's talking and you don't really pay attention, he's giving out key points, but because your mind is wondering what is he saying, then you are like confused. You're not really getting to understand that he brought out this key point. So I would concentrate more on what he's saying, or not how he's speaking.
So this will tell you that anytime when you hear that they are doing quiz, you can pay attention to listening to.
Yes.
Sure. Because you are activities, that's just say yes.
Oh yes, I pay attention.
Did you watch the latest quiz we did, the national one, the science and math quiz? Did you watch them?
No.
You are not interested.
I didn't watch.
I
didn't watch the science and math.
Right, Sylvester, you share here quiz master our hotel room. I can share studio hall. I can't afford to move some questions. No, I also can't afford to move bob. I just them one chair for to move king. No, I should do the man something. The casa. I can't afford to bob zin or church and same too much. I want one question. Baby, I'll go far the baby sit. No, I saw your how
yeah. Making the job, but amazing. Before I ever start Nangasa, during process now you receive as a Yoruba up and down now. You actually new videos 1 or 2. So now like I understood what was going to happen. But then me cuts now when Nangasa before I don't put about better now one. Like me from me and BB like me and ship kakra. Now who's an area mangasa because now I met now when BB am koyi mam. Na papa started do or question na say aha za ken anyi. So I just am easy the obukoyi nkaka ba no yi because if someone share kwana yefado yezi yon shazinum how we prepared and stuff, I think those who prepared better, like those who prepared better now, because over the ember meeting, the list can come up and wait what did I do, like wow, what your book, yeah, into one no, I don't fast nankasa, no, but I boom pa, and how much bibina, like I'm also another bibina, obeying ever for binose, or shiazi. The woman is one now, what ball, one way, Usian, one hour or fazing.
You should one drama for your ground, you know, yourself. I want to be an amazing for
being free.
It's a time a Papa can answer and also the Abana, I've been happy. And when they really are, but and then you should know what be there. Was much videos now. Let you want to be Papa.
Because now, minimum day on quick like no minimum day. Much my baby. Okay. Who's our economist that we've said, mean kids and more and ye, baby, I'm shining. Mark Maze to cry.
I'll get a papa slow. Right, that's the CCTU student, Okwa Casey. What do you know? Papa, you can kind of, I hear so yes, and started your monitor. A corner of the pronunciation for the baby because and time team the Paza. And as I no, Obezamo, though this are simple between a yano. And see, I know your Costa TV, say, to me, Professor Kwame Banfeji, it to me, you might be able to my Yidma. So the Prof and Ja knows in them. A boboja, and to say to me, Professor, Yidma Cotenza, now can work at any TV station. Yeah, Ansah. There is the Olu Ansah Mutumaka in Kenya, but the other. Also, young share the CCTU crazy out to me, ye na welcome to ye crazy na yamba. After the quiz competition, they start pronouncing this the first, second, third. At the end of the round 3, in which the quiz master bring the result out, were you thinking you are going to be the second position or you are not?
Actually, so right from time, I knew I would come out as a second.
You know it?
Yes, I knew it because, okay, let me not say it because I knew I would come out as second. While the competition was going on, the marks and stuff, and what confirmed it that I was going to be the second was when I couldn't answer a particular question that I went to say 1933 with confidence.
1933.
They asked when 40 years and the Bashwi logo was launched and stuff, and I was like, yes, 1933.
So who gave you that in 1993? Who gave it to you?
I had the idea from a principal. They said a particular man, he's a psychiatrist and an educator, Hedwig von Ristov. Yeah. He gave a certain principle about isolation of information about the logo, and it was 1933. So that was what I had in my head. So I didn't even get to think about the question. I just said 1933, and the man was asking again, 19, I was like 33, with confidence. So after that, I was like, okay, since I didn't get this question then, yeah, because I was calculating the mark in my head. I already had the marks in my head, I was calculating it. So I was like, so I'm going to come out as a second. I already knew right from time.
All right, that's for you. Angela. Why so look on him the first?
I got to realize that I was going to be amongst the first 3 from round 2. I knew that I had a competition with Timmy, so like our marks were like close. So I knew that okay, this was between the both of us.
Okay.
Yes, but I didn't know that I was going to be first. But I knew that it was between the both of us, and I think it was after the 3rd round that I was like, okay, yeah.
Right. We are going to talk a little about our anniversary. Then to close, then we'll call Prof to come. I think Prof will come, and with my power, I will select some people to join the Prof whilst she's answering the rest of the question. Because if Prof choke, you give the answer. So you ready then? Now let's see our 40 years in terms of our preparation from the several departments, from our VC, because from 1984 in which they started our school. So when I said about our school, I'm talking about your school, that's CCTU. So how, yes, so when you say my school, yes. So how do you see the compound? The first day you chose your school that want to be part of the family of CCTU, and now we are celebrating our 40 years. How do you see the compound, the teachers who are teaching us, as well as things which is going on in the 40 years? Yeah. Owusu Ansah.
Okay, normally, for me, I don't really look at...
That is, I give you the question, it's for you.
Yes, it's for me. Sorry. Normally, I don't really look at material things when I'm going to a place to study. I get to see more about the teachers, the lecturers, and the people who controls the school. If they are really good at what they do, So when I attended class the very first time, I was like, wow, I really love the way they teach here. Like, it's as if they are teaching you like you're in SHS. Yes, they have to teach you for you to understand the thing. Because I watch lectures online whereby they just explain, you know, this lecturers kind of thing, this professors, they just come, they just write on the board, give you a note, give you a document to go and learn, and that is all. But this one, they took their time to like explain everything bit by bit, and I got to understand. I was like, wow, their education level here is actually very nice in terms of how they explain. And the environment is okay. For me, I would say it's okay. It's good, they are trying.
How do you see the dress code at the campus? Because at first, you could see that the ladies especially, they wear certain things to the lecturer's department, and which sometimes the lecturer will sack them out. How do you see the dress code in terms of the campus since you came to CCTU?
For me, I would say it's very bad.
Some or all?
Most of all.
So?
Because why would you wear slippers to class? I'm a kind of person, I really love dressing like very classy and unique. So when I first resumed, I took this dressing on my head because I watch how students dress online to classes with suits, tie, they not their tie, so I was really dressing real good. When I come to class, some of my colleagues are wearing slippers. Some of them, they are wearing t-shirts, just dress anyhow sharply to the class. I was like, okay, oh. Even somebody was telling me that I should focus more on the course and not how I look to class. I said, no, please. I cannot say I'm a computer science student and I should just dress anyhow to class. I have to look like what I want to be in the nearest future. Yeah, so I would say the students should improve more on their dressings. And one thing I love is that the lecturers always sack them out if they don't dress well. Yes, if you're on slippers, you go out. You have to go back and change. And one thing I loved the most was when one of my lecturers sacked one of his students for putting on slippers, even after telling them that they should all be on shoes to come and write an exam. But the guy came with slippers and a rough shirt, so he had to go back home. That was, I mean, they are really, really strict with their instructions and stuff. That's what I really love the most. But their dressing is not okay to me. So
will it be good for a lecturer to sack a student when we are doing the examination and it's time? And the time has maybe to start the exam, a lecturer sack a student.
The student was told, dress like this. He was on the platform. You are aware, so you are the one being the stubborn person here. Wear a white shirt and a black trouser with a black shoe. It's very simple. Even though you don't have a black shoe, you can wear a black sandal or something. Yes. So if you were told, then I don't say anything bad in the lecturer sacking because you are given an instruction. You should follow the instruction. And if you don't follow the instruction, you bear the consequences.
As Angela, as you, what are you doing to support the 40 years anniversary?
She's not Angela.
Ansah, as a Ansah, what are you doing as a person? What are you doing to support the anniversary?
The anniversary? Me being here. Me being here, I'm trying to advertise the school out to people. Yes. So that it can bring more students. I'm trying to let them know that the school is really, really good because of what I've experienced. So I can see them helping like this.
So if you left here, what are you going to do again? Because you are on TV station, that time the people are listening, people are watching.
I'll meet some people, some of my friends that are not in school yet. I'll tell them about the school and they should come register for something nice.
If they don't meet any friend, what are you going to do? If there's no friend?
Hey.
You don't know?
I know.
Okay,
okay, come back. You come back to me.
I should come back?
Yes.
The same quiz, I just want to know who will win. So, as you here, what are you going to do to support the 40 years anniversary? The same question to Owusu, and he said I should go and come back to you.
Like she said, again, we've been here.
Yeah.
Showing what the school...
What are you going to do to support the 40 years anniversary?
So, a lot of people have seen us, and I am like, the school is really good at teaching. That is why the students are so good and they're able to do this. And I like the person's confidence, the person's composure. I want to go to the school. How are they being taught? Yes. And I mostly talk to my friends outside Ghana, in Ghana, that the school I'm attending is really good. Like, good.
So do you understand the question I asked you?
Yes, so what I'm doing is showing confidence.
What are you going to do to support the 40 years anniversary? You as a person.
Me as a person.
Yes.
Give the money.
You see you.
At this point, I don't think I know what I want to do.
I should go and come. Sylvester. As Sylvester, what are you going to do to support the anniversary?
I think at this moment I don't have much I can do. But
You have. Let's go.
But then the most important thing is my presence.
Your presence as well.
Every
program,
every event that is linked to 40th
you to
anniversary.
do something to support. Because we have many ways of supporting, not precisely money. And so why I'm going to Sylvester, Abazin Ebeye as our 40 years anniversary.
Until more if they need me anytime, I'll be available.
Now, do you have WhatsApp? Do you WhatsApp people? Do you chat with people?
Yes.
Do you Facebook?
Yes.
And what again?
Instagram.
What again?
TikTok.
What do you post today?
My own
your
type of
own.
content.
So people watch you.
Yes.
So that shows that you will serve the school, you serve the anniversary 40 years. Because you have all this link on your phone. You wake up at dawn. Into how about I'm turn to school, I'm turn anniversary. Mama be able to me with my phone. So that is your phone in your room everywhere. You can send a message. Whether you came to the campus, you do small video, post it. People will see that CCTU at 40 will be the anniversary. Until Army Owusu Ansah, Adameye, more turn school in if you Doma Debia Wutumoshe. Because you have followers, we have friends who watch you. So you serve the school to death.
Normally I had the plan. I didn't know you were talking about maybe social media stuff. But normally I had the plan.
I don't know what I don't know what. So what you are going to do to support the anniversary?
Normally I had the plan to like create a vlog because I was getting videos from different people. So
what do you know about 3-point answer? What do you know 3-point?
I'll create a vlog about how all the events went. Like
Thank you.
Everything, then I'll post it.
That's why I push you as a person. Owusu Ansah, what are you going to do to support the anniversary? That's what that's a 3-point answer.
Yeah, I'll take pictures and I'll pray for them.
So you to what she mentioned of creating a blog, whatever. What are you going to also do?
Yeah, take pictures of mine. Pictures.
You take pictures of your own.
Yes, of me wearing the 40.
Okay.
Yes.
I see.
Yeah.
Can I say one more thing?
Didn't say I will come back. And what again?
I think that's all.
That's all.
Taking pictures and posting them online.
I will come back to you. Sylvester, you share there, maybe sir, I am actually about the lecturers I will sack or students or about class, all I want to tell you, Nefoko. You can we and free boys, Boma or taking point, taki, watch your toe, no tomorrow than them. Na debia with 2 moments in church, I didn't say debia so some way a mistake. Why I'm going what me for now as well didn't Zana.
Makande was a winning na Ibo science accident walk and the young share young dress them. Baby, you find there I'm a demiana mesha matter. Muko bibia demiana mesha taro quanti. I went to me and the ma. Ba one way in painful now one way in him now. When who was Morton, no catching the yen de me. But yanti a corner now as I opened the woman you one other send 2 points here on my walk a day, shattered the mean, the mean. On intina binum be wooded. Okay. Yanti.
The lecturers are that way, you know, yeah.
Oh, ye papa, because
how do you see your lecturers, especially the giant people? How do you see their dress code at campus?
The lectures, yeah, the dress to standard like before our lecture, Wababa Charles Nampa, most my lecture na lawa fanu with the original one. Yen lecture called Dr. Isaac Quay. But when they be original yendo, wafanu atum pede, they be yawane lecture bia Nagasa Bakade, Ubian Shada Materi, San Shamba member in the class. Hanti. But as the young lecturers Nangsa Wafa 200 boboy na yanga say nyina ya ni papa ye hu wesme be share na ater the baby ebuko bia na some ko kan the dress to fit the occasion nti any occasion that you are going baby ebuko bia atera or there share wo kone for or there e fa ho okay yeah nti
right Sylvester that's papa we you said you have something to say or it's gone.
Hey, I remember now. You're asking how I'm going to push my school out, like through my social media account. Yes, so an idea came to mind. Like what happened yesterday, the way they treated us. Like there's no school, no university will take their students out on an occasion and they will take them to a restaurant to eat.
Oh my God.
I've not heard of that. After eating, you see the jollof they served us, it was very nice.
You like jollof.
Big chicken.
You like jollof proper.
It was very, very nice, like very nice. And when we were coming back again, they served us yogurt and is it both fruits or donut or something like that? Yeah. I'm not sure I've seen any university that would treat their students like that. Like they really care about how their students fare. And
because professor
like
said that's why I give you much fans.
No, no.
I will come back to you. Yes.
Yeah, that's all. Like in my video, I'm going to let them know how I was being treated. I'm treated like a queen.
Oh
yes.
Yes.
Yeah, and I want to give that credit to our Dean of Students. She has been like
because
a mother. No, that is the reality. Everybody can testify.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Sure?
Yes. She has been like a mother to all the students.
I will come back to the campus. When I catch you one corner, you say the same thing.
That's true. You can ask everyone. They tell you.
Everyone?
Yes, everybody will give you the same answer I'm giving to you right now. She has been like a mother to us and she's always been there. Like she has created this connection of friendship amongst the students and it's like everyone feels comfortable around her. Okay. And she's true to her words and strict to her words. When she says this, she means it.
She keeps to her time.
Yes.
I'm a Prof fancy.
I even want to add something. You see, yesterday, before we went to the occasion, in the bus, when I was changing myself, so my dress was dirty, and then when she saw it, like how she reacted, she took it, helped me did dry wash, like how she even reacted, and we say God bless her because through the process that we were learning, she would come and wait for us for like almost 30 minutes, and then even with the contestants are not there, but she will be there waiting for us to help us understand it. So thank you, ma. God bless you.
Omar Prof France. Right, Damina, and I never want to more can you be a great film. Now, Prof, no woman France. Now, I call Shannon in Abba. Now, no, so I will bonk come a cry. Yeah, to me, I'm a him who don't know if you call Prof. Why you fancy Prof France? I widen. You mean by young Quinta. Never to know you. The old tomorrow. And say about here CCTU or young music crack. You are about a bit of a and here professor at Tumina Abba.
At Cape Coast Technical University, every step forward is made possible by the generosity of our community. As we celebrate 40 years of excellence, we say thank you for helping us build the future.
I will ensure that the dream of constructing the proposed 40th anniversary student hostel becomes a reality. Finally, I will collaborate with the government and other stakeholders to address all infrastructural challenges as already enumerated.
We are really thankful to all our benefactors who have helped us over the past 40 years with their various donations in various kinds. Today we have a more pressing need, which is to help us put together a 2,500 capacity bed hostel that will help us admit even more people and help us reach our mandate of training as many people as we can with 21st century skills. So we are pleading with you not to give up on us. Keep on donating, and you are assured that all your donations will be handled in the most transparent manner possible.
We are in need of accommodation for our beloved students, and currently accommodate less than 10% of student population. Hence, the Vice Chancellor was able to put a team together known as the Legacy Subcommittee of the 40th anniversary to put up a design. And this design has a hostel capacity of 2,500 bed capacity and is going to be on a 3-acre of land that the university has volunteered to give to us to put up this project. It is a 4-level building, that is a 4-story building, relied on solar energy, or what we call this renewable energy, where we'll be getting our power from the sun. And it's a green building that will focus more on natural source of ventilation and lighting as well. And the proposed amount for this project is 500 million Ghana cedis. That is what we are envisaging as the estimated cost. And as we have indicated, that is what this project seeks to address.
Your contributions have made significant difference in this whole enterprise, and we are truly thankful. Our hostel project remains a top priority with increasing enrollment and limited accommodation. We believe that this will be a game changer for our student population. We therefore call on all alumni and all well-wishers join the Cape Coast Technical University in this noble endeavor. Let's complete what we have just started. Every contribution counts.
To our alumni, your support has been phenomenal, and you have shown the power of unity and pride in our alma mater. Now let us finish what we began last year, and as you are aware, we intend building a 2,500 capacity hostel for students of our technical university, and we require your support and commitment. Now, if you have not given money yet, this is the time. Kindly come on board. Donate a peswa, donate a cedi to support the dream. Let's make it a reality, and your support will make the project a reality.
Greetings to you all viewers. My name is John Obeng, the current Cape Coast Technical University SLC president. We, as students of Cape Coast Technical University, are highly overwhelmed with the rapid increase in student population. Just this year, by God's grace, we've been able to increase our population by 112%, which is a good sign development. Nevertheless, this increase comes with a greater need, accessible and adequate accommodation. For these reasons, providing and enhancing accommodation is not just a means of providing a space, but a safe and adequate as well as academically friendly environment where students can strive.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Together, we've come far, but the journey continues. Let's build the future of CCTU, one brick, one bed, one student at a time. Thank you for believing in us.
Arise for your nations, Lord. We shall brighten every corner of the world forever.
Right, yes, I hear you about afi CCTU 40 years otumozin. Dwumade pinye na otumokodo Sunday. Yaboko krampo mo ya basic school CCTU kwa ke donation tuma mo. Dame na oya hene VC otum na oka kire hen. Nti bonkus ebubonko oya basic school. Oboko na akacha honaze. Dama so na ye prede nazamba horowa. Wako school ho wotum obi waya kasafo pi ozana Ghana bebe boko bia ebu ho CCTU yi o ha tomorrow ye djuma nti ya mamazin na fi yentu esika na ye fam bo amadwumejo ntomanko enkankan oya 2500 hostel ye pede yetumi ni yisinu no onfa nko ntambra na mamazin na fi yentu mensi send fiti 1984 wo share school dwumedi ase bisibiri nazama pinyere wotum afọ ya school no. The school need to my board, Baza Pana was to marry yet to my board school, made me school, to put Ocran. Send a what time that there were no phone, school no fraud, for send a watcher was it, made to me Ocran. In Taba the Pa, na a butuminary. Into what Professor Sophia Pardie Ocran. Prof, the first day, my friend, I'm on a fence. No more what are they and Ocran and Ocran. The first day, the mere Prof to Chun come up. Also, barrow and put them to harm or crowd. So what I say out tomorrow, you know. The gestures and postures of hair is a different thing altogether because I ain't be back as a very interview for 30 minutes, 40 minutes. About so proud that because I don't know until I was an Moshe Abakade Nipeno in you. I'm talking about our VC, the Vice Chancellor, Professor Kweku Educhum Enyim Boache, Suna Bana Automocatanity, Internal Management for P, or why no so Hunusu Autumno Ati Damano. Saying the Debia a slow one, a friend of Basawa throw back. Then him Professor or your VC, Miss Scores, the just one said to my friend, Nemo, or Ta, Naraba Fro, or your back, each Honkakan or into Yanama Miss Sophia, now so. Next case in terms of my farm and fans, each day, until Sophia Scawan, until Punala pet, Madame Cameras is the nature you can't quinte. Nay, we are it when I are back, Naya Botchado. Prof, good morning. I promise you. That's so that a young from me, but from one more fancy power. This is a fancy of the morning. I pray you are being home for lunch. Abi. Prof, young share 40 years, he is in 40 years. Why this quiz out there from a good car?
You, that's it. Now, meditate for Nasi.
Professor or your Dean of Students Affairs, CCTU. No post. Dean, she's a dean. Prof.
You better a titua, Shefuni Nasi, Mboa would the support Costa TV. Now, acquaintance to her, Costa TV, what CCTU. The one I see be yes, the 40th anniversary was the life begins at 40. Need the minty. Ye pede a many na wo ma CCTV yet say baby are ye free na baby a ye do 40 years ni. Oni he di ye papa. So 40 years asa ye ndi no dem. E wo dey ye na obia hu there ampa Cape Coast Technical University a ye friend CCTU. 40 years.
Prof, man, I should crazy in school. In Jordan, in school because this our school. Now, but didn't say you conquer, never can know. You there, ye can't offend and broadcasting GTV, no shas, GBC, no shas. And they said, Quanyaba. Now you pay the 40 years. Near my many now, my baby, a fin a baby, a yedra. Now, or day you choose GBC. The GBC so what ye and our way too. The yembra, nearby, and what do you know? Quiz no. Need a minty, your fat schools are over here institution nemo. All the 5 schools well represented. Ni anyone quay offending representatives. Ni anyone called GTV because it has a wider coverage. Na ye quay the mad and war. I am from Morocco or GBC. Now, what's the one that must operate with Bissahun with the Bissahun? No, we just a from oh, my Gassibian Bamazini here.
In fact, what them Sudi bedom here no na oye any baby because CCTU you know yes such but we didn't have documented the information or why back there history no day you want to embed it's not bread there you didn't boom one eye or there you be some information me Mrs. Dr. Mrs. Madeleine become from part of Abazi for no into you're done na on my information nibi. So the information you're putting all together now if you know what there you should share and call far what back school amakwan it's a share or by then. Yeah, well, debate club. Quickly, we fell on the debate club. There, one my uncle from each school. Now, what do see what because one my will fear. There will be 15 per bana wabe the mother no on easy. But these we had 10 students. Okay. What do one who 2 ho? They will pay there. What could see them? What could the markings? Anyone for rehearsals more nazi, but at the end of the day we needed one per school. Nti per one who can wo modern bon ye choose one na anyone kwai.
Prof, jumedini hina bewie yi jumedini share oye quiz master nsa nani ha otum bewie ibu nkompo na ehwe chira ye bakanda bibia ye fine and all that.
Mekade bibia ye fine. O Sunday nyama ekru ebiempe na wako, especially the questions relating to one anniversary, the 40th anniversary no one shada when you are on, even though they looked at the logo, information about the logo and all that, no a honey in Zamboan. Nini nature mekade wayazi because just a short time we met only 3 times. Now what they call a case no say wobo wo modern pa wobo na nyam so wo bisa ho nyina ya ze oye no kwar owo ho na ze wotum woda dem mo friend then answers no edi questions no a little bit tricky papa no me so be ka sam na afa na che de amfa was from konwa question nyim pa nyim answer no but baby o de be fefa no be one day aka bibi anye de eka. But on the whole, I may say we had a successful quiz out there.
Right. CCTU at 40, Dama, Auntie Sophia to church and training. Osi, idene hina aboma, Nina Yazi. Dama, Yesu Kano, osi de Nina Bomi, the Trebini quiz and all the Cassiadon. Was Anna be, we oya Honzano. Jessica. But why they discuss Coca share by a crazy room? Now your words in canon so Yamanisika, Prof.
Pacho baby.
Your Jessica is in Nijuma.
Yeah.
Na it's the beer or we are on for Bimbra, a year school ha butchebi. But it's the discussion I shall crazy room Yakaye in Pocozo Crimin, Yamanisika, Yaman, let me be to my account. Was can I say, but why they would
oh. Nina ka expenses no. Okay. Ye disha one in crime. Ye disha one in crime ma akwenye bi bioma wa shafofo so nkwan na what one wache na wa baba. Onye easy learning documents you are not familiar with. Yeah. In me feel there the scanning poster ye nya sponsorship kese. Ye chancellor o my 4,000. And alumni so sponsor tuition. Okay. Na aka also were my 4,000. Inti or sponsorship kakaka ma obeya yetum yede award one or osa. But then you feel there Bibia obeke CBI starts with a humble beginning, you know, just to encourage them. Nazi. Na utum akwenya ba yenya afofo so wa ba be
mo hwe mo from the we are kra wo yo hwan na nsa na nwan no do so surprise wo be what dem ko fe be otra won tani ono wudidi wusane wudidi na wo fu no wudidi na wo sa ha tani wudidi nta jare didi no do so
no ye ko na school management wo man bibi kakra supporters na anyone ko in fact yesi ma ma chi for na ye kuti ye kwen na ye ma won is ban ye ni won ko baby ye ma won is ban ye jades ban ma won ye ba so ye ma won snack nti afa woni school baby na mbe nti to get that number no cramped was so encouraging and we didn't want to take it for granted nti ye ma won them baby kakra at least when you are ye ma won t-shirt ye ma I think 35 of them t-shirts so just to sell the institution until when the next time a first student would Jimmy can or whatever
but not to t-shirt in some way a word basa wait until you am we in this first thing until Prof, but yes I'm in school. Yes, sure, 1984. School in Shas, BCB 40 years. Say, Boom Component, what I bring about Hompo, necessary we could die. Which me about in some mamma, you know, the school as a partner.
Oh, yeah, as a papa. Since 1984. 94, 10 years. Yes, I back 2024, I was 2025. School now, Cornelium ye. O Sunday, na, was na. technician courses na woye, pre-tertiary courses na woye. Now we upgrade ba tertiary courses. Say example, your masters postgraduate courses are ye pre-day ye be trim kwane nya more postgraduate courses programs are ye ma school na akokan. Te ye campaign ye hwe n'echi na baby aye dua school no wa be nyim papa. Numu students are doson, departments are doson, departments are aba. Ye shall send a department from the school no 3. Say I 6 schools are postgraduate studies come. Inti me feel there yaba in papa. In terms of programs, in terms of even infrastructure crampo, what's na what for him to my quandro na what call them time no na what do baby I say me say one story be where you do when I abazu for ni be was a bingo kabi. It was so interesting to listen to. Inti isha yaba ye bedu but baby na wokan ye bedu 15 a day ha wale sha Allah.
I have this. Me man go school about sina metama for pa. Was if he be a his ceremonial ground the first one na ye no san ye be ye chiro haze no. If you work campaign ban to pray to the main gate. Prof Yaguzi because also God to be Ocran bushing be ho. Nti yakudu twom ha na ayate. But sisi ade ni nya no e be kere e bobo nsem ama hine ho.
Me first time I made back Cape Coast Technical University. On no shade kumbat me ban na me besra me yonku
okay
na me do abra me fe me do me kita handkerchief for say rag bi na me do pa me na wan say na mutum na me na match socks but in there nam coat ado na da so we have come far.
Prof, you should be able to watch there's no need you mention the years to my boy. But first, na entirety, Kojan Yabo red band demonstration tomorrow lecturers also with the demand and phone to ma. What Abazana year, Madam in the entirety? Abazana Yaya,
yeah, says Yerka. Yeah, was starting to Juma.
Okay.
Bibia shishimo disciplinary bibia shishim inti ewo how bia management ma ho kwan eda wo how easy enye management nyanti nketa ho oba students representative council SRC na that's why the dean of students is there na fe onen the intermediary person between the management and the students inti bibia ni a oye kasa yet na se na ya hwe win-win game. More bekwa obey year school ni bekwenyim. You try as much as possible to avoid these red flags. So because ye pede school no kwenyim, there be red flags and so on ma school ni nkonenyim. Into no most of the time or a discussion ye nya a friend then nketauzi between staff, between students na de o mata seba them red flags o here. The demonstrations na I know offended on to member because obiati no ase ya kama wesi then na ema eboku jan na ze nti
right Prof you share previous years it's very difficult for you all years and there but to student lecturer relationship otum not do clear student otum approach lecturer if you tomorrow in Zoom come. But you would do them say, yeah, now we have created more room for student lecturer relationship. As I to me, I am able to them pempensu. We're supposed to do more or yari.
Oh, me feel there as an institution, students no way inclined. Students in your staff in your Intino o here papa de biano them students staff relationship no ye be building a year so that one na obekwa sell school no into the nketa wonze with students wan koye ya wo kwa womba and I want cancha for na for from ba nse wo dey ye pre de bia ye eye o se enyu ado dey ye be pre dey ye nyu one bet na like ye nyu one bet nkita ho ye so that they will sell the students out there na wale nyim eye flaws nkita but nyinyi we are able to iron them out to allow us offend the image of the institution to dey bia make the image of the institution is paramount. It's very, very paramount because what as and papa alpha school no ono na oroko nenyim ha intino yenkita wodzidzi with the students they be aye pre there ye benya them cordial relationship no so that yen image no so be kokana yenya more so that then what's the dodo na wodi aja oyeye
dodo na wodi ye kro so dom wom ntino fo no kro no nti dem na asamenti ye be so prof na ya hwede we share punumfui che waye mpanyefo bikura wa bikura warrior owankita hunzo zinzo cha ya panyina yakofi okene menwada in terms of the men's amene no why there or the tumesha hono the matter in she nti bia because in kana ye kan share punzi ekwesu pona what you want to put it on at the back people butu wa shinika pias no the dominica na otoko na biso achire na atal oda kan nika pias no otoko why the order still na
yo yen dress code de ohia papa we are training students for the field of work. Now one of our core values is the professionalism. Into your kind of professionalism, discipline, okay, will be so discipline, integrity, professionalism, nadi. Into say yeah, training for the field of work is that. No, what there at Arije so come.
Okay.
Or there yes smoking na it dress to because you don't expect to go out there and dress anyhow in the field of work. Into you make sure there. Would dress code day it should be top notch. But well yenya fufura wash slippers they you need to be I mean they make class. You cannot come to my class in slippers. Onyim me chana well everybody I wide it's me class day into my first slippers but the American day were there yes one a penny no ye once a student day the school has a control over you. Into my yepede in school now, them na yebe train wafa. So that because when you go out there, you are going to solve CCTU. You are going to be CCTU out there. Into no yen to me yeno biara na. Into yen dress code nede. Yes, one pa, but as for the fukakaum, Nina ye tension one. Me visi wa campo de opedo the uniform. dress code na into but we've started. Okay. School of Business, they wash a light blue na black. Okay. Building construction wash a white and black trousers. Accountants wash a one suit na what but because a chief accountant will baby and dress anyhow. Aha. Into wash one there wash yes them dress to fit the career you are being trained for.
Yo, yan sheshun kwa habe mkutwa be. Nti ya ko hema na Wellington boot na ebe she. Into me Wellington boot na fa meeting office. Nti wosre za wo chew no hu nsesi na woda etumi na yezeba. Ebe kwa apunta a woda she no so de ebe dress mo asa ya apuntu. Nti the professor ochum no orika. Now so well so more than we so for says also aso ya no so I also bet you that so no fi baby be na we be buda nti ya mama zine fi to me brother ya mbra so ya mama hinu do ye ko prof na wa abone samre to for na Ansah no remember Owusu Ansah, what did you hear about all Prof said? What did you hear since I started talking to her?
What I heard?
Yes, what you heard? Yeah, tell me.
I heard about the uniform.
What again?
The ones that they are wearing blue and black, the ones that are wearing white and black trousers, and the ones that are on suits.
For the past 30 minutes.
And I had discipline. They are training their students to be more
because only English words.
And those ones, that's what I heard.
But what about the local one?
I didn't hear anything.
You didn't hear anything. But I saw you watching my face that you can hear something. You didn't hear anything. Sure.
I didn't understand.
You didn't understand nothing. So if it's an examination for you to get 10 marks, you won't get.
I'll try my best.
That's your best. Your best is now. So tell me. The local one. I'm not talking about the English one. Quote there. You understand. Dress well there. You understand. But the local one, Prof.
Let me just summarize it.
Yeah, summarize it.
I feel she was talking about the school, the progress of the school, and how they're training their students to be. They want to train their students in a way that when they go out in their working place, they are able to put themselves out well. And when they walk out to a place, they're able to represent CCTU themselves. Yes.
That's all. So what today? Tell me. Want to summarize? That's your sister. Summarize everything.
She was talking about the progress of the school and how the school started from beginning into the level they've reached, and it's been remarkable. And she was talking about how the authorities are making sure the students and the staff are in a good relationship, and how they've eradicated demonstrations and fights amongst students, staffs, and all that.
Apart from English, what language do you understand again?
I understand Fanti.
And what language again?
Yoruba.
Yoruba. The short term you say it's Yoruba. I'm missing.
No.
You say you understand Yoruba.
I didn't say I can speak. I said I understand.
So far as you understand, you can speak now.
I can speak it very well.
You can speak very well.
Yes.
Hey, I will go and collect your 4,000. So Yoruba in the morning they greet what?
A carrot.
A carrot what?
Sa.
Carrot.
A carrot. Sa.
A carrot. Sa. What about in the afternoon?
A kase.
A
casson.
A casson.
Yes.
In the evening?
We have a crole and a kale. So early evening is a crole.
Early evening is what time to what time?
That's from 4 to 5.
And the late evening?
It's a kale.
A kale. So your country you have 4 greetings that day. So if I tell somebody that I'm going to a lecture, I will come back around 5:30 in your language. But
to me.
You do have. I will wait till you are taking a Timmy, do you understand the Yoruba language?
Yes.
You understand, you can speak. Okay.
Better than me.
Better more.
Better than I can.
Okay, summarize what you said since we start your first interview I did with you. Summarize 2 minutes, let me say. In your language. Yes.
Okay. According to what she said, one no.
Hey, your own language you cannot speak.
I can't speak.
No,
you don't understand. Nobody will understand.
Don't worry. It's those who understand they are there. Yes.
Okay. What's sorrow nipa? Igbese sukuru of the school. Yes. B what she fe come mura, what she fe come represent around Anita, and what she fe come respect and agbalagba.
That's all. Yes. The respect in your language. Can't you speak it? You say respect in your language. Okay, another assignment is your school is celebrating 40 years.
Okay.
Use your language to explain to people, inviting people, come and support our school for the 40 years.
Should I use demonstrations and stuff like that?
Yeah.
Like if I'm to make a video of how to...
Your language now.
Okay. Ekason everybody. No, Ekason see everybody. Yes, so school may celebrate 40th anniversary. So Mafeke join celebrate at mu our bro in was school me so school they work very hard. Lagos Yoruba, sir. They work very hard in giving out their best, and they are the best in the whole world. Yes, because Emi Pramoti like enjoy. I've enjoyed them.
It's very important to understand your language. If you can understand, you can speak. It's very, very important. Me. So try your best of. Because me, my language, I don't speak Chi, I speak the Fanti language.
Okay.
So if I want to deep you, I will speak the deep one. When I said that, you will never understand. So when I went to programs at Ocran, international program, I allowed the Prof people to speak Prof because sometimes the Prof will bring a big word unless you search before you understand. You need to bring a local than a big one for you to also search before you understand. So it's your language, not precisely when somebody speaks you understand, but you should try to. Because all the lecturers, when they come here, immediately we said you are Fafra, you speak Fafra before you go.
I'll speak?
Fafra, if you are Fafra, from northern region,
okay.
I will ask you, what tribe? When you said, oh, I'm Fafra, you speak Fafra on the set about CCTU before you leave. So when you go and watch Coastal TV at Cape Coast, all the program from CCTU, those who speak different language, I'll let you. So you are running away from Yoruba. Okay, thank you. So your brother also can speak, eh?
No. Different mothers.
Different mothers?
Yes.
I'm not talking about he cannot speak.
Yes, so his mom is a Ghanaian, so he cannot
But
speak.
you know that your brother is here. I'm going to tell him to delete your because you don't understand your language. Oh, Prof, but what's on the top of the image?
You, yeah, can them near the baby. Your activities be bria, yeah, to a queen, my area, or Yamanepa, or China. Yeah, call a Bubonku Basic School, ya coach when I say. Na Wednesday, yeah, free vehicle servicing. Yeah, the innovation and exhibition fair, but Shishado the same Wednesday, no. Oh, yeah, a public lecture. Public lecture and a launching of a research report. I believe Professor Sai was here to talk about that. And also, Yebeyen Fefe on the 27th, that is the Thursday, you shall say 9 o'clock. Ne Grand Bano Wabado on Friday, that is 28th. Quiz one participants no wababo wana about with sikabo dabo derena yakan na yebia onso ha yebeye yen 22nd congregation Saturday ya graduate one we quarter we this year na ya a very big Thanksgiving as part of the celebration.
Right, that means seminar Professor Sophia Pardie Ocran, ultimately that's your name. International so every watch now yoko oye ebubonku bonkus basic school. Ya kone ya kwa kacha wana di. Ngwane de ba efane ndama de ba amesi buhungo sana school fuzi ngwazi we here ankasa wotumna woza aye juma. Dama sune na de chieno wose yebeye free vehicle services. Nemo when you are saying we were or you mentioned to come and family and small ones at the Bible and when I don't know a cow home. No, I want free into other back into one family CCTU nephew moments nephew to me and session baby son easy so now you're going to show all your uncle programs and maybe autumn or that one and that's yeah na yeah Abon the Casahun Church Restaurant, public lecturer. Why am I pay nephew to me now? Bois, my huge Mezibia to me a tumpona, I'll create him Ankasa. The mouse sooner, do me think back in here to Adzie, ya train here, Jum Ankasa, natural the ground debano, no sobuto kodo, or yeah 28 Abby, yes, 28 na ground debano sobuto na. Abokodon bibiase etumna yepe da mebere na nnazema wobo na abado wo ehudwumeza okwekizi no so abamaze na fi etumna eza abaso na etuma akọ benim etuma ewie school nti wo se obobo na abada na congregation butuma akodo kasa ho na ade ne hina no so obutum no obaba nti yemma maze na fi etuma yenhyere so mpemfisi se ejudwumezi biara yemfa asida ma yankopon nti bobo obo na fi da asida to etumna akoro na Ansah na asida baba no enyi jesu baba yanko back ben yanko back
artist night
abado night artist night correct I want to kinata baba
kinata we nyambo
baba madam dabi our information kinata baba live and kinata laba wa oya CCTU nti ya mama za yembra na ground deba no mpanyinfo pii ni wotum ato nsa aframa wotum ba muhu hene ma mpanyin oye nunua oho obaba bi papa na wambampo a hwe na ebuko kuturu mu abanto obaba odo abomaze na afi otum na oba papa epinya na oye manazem ma na omeye bisuma CCTU ncha obare mpa oye he 2500 capacity hostel ncho siman na okwa mama man hwi onsida na mahin ankasa na ntumi nkwane yi ntama mpanyin nua bomazina papa eleze eye papa ebo abado nti bomazina na aba CCTU sa bomazina afi baye bi mahin na imbo nsem ma the man so na wumeso contempt pain na oda Ghana no oye honorable Haruna Idrisu alaja odene chobaba ababwa ma jumezini biara etum na awia paye ankasa the man so me humpemfu pi oye hini VC oye professor Kweku Educhum enyim boache anonyi nya obatenego no waje mpemfu nyina awetu nti catcher drivers oye fida date na mobo e kire ho grand ebe no yesen so de enam kwano da tobara na nanto kwano do sane pefipi na worba ekwano do be busy nti bomazara na tobara 28 November no elekoya CCTU bomazara na tobara pragia fu yellow fun umamazine sanso nhwe hu ye sane yezi anniversary man kaka yellow biara amfa ma disturb wo oya ho nti yebada hona se beda mpeyfa oba ha anapay inkankan oya Professor Sophia Pardie Ocran beda na papa do abomaze na fi wetum na waba mebibia so etum na akwayi mankasa corporation na ma so na disuafo woba oya Angela na Owusu Ansah na nizin kan fno do so ano nyina ebada hona si da wotum ba onye hunu nua oye Sylvester ebada na si na sister about support back no se bada si the PRO for I think the PRO for oya the counselor okay madam counselor ofrande
Anita ohene dako
aboneze plan imagine to le Ghana date Owuraye Anita
ohene dako
ohene dako eke mejutu ende azani yebada na asas papa da otumoba na bentere so ka ono so friend watch for TV
only debates club president no Emmanuel Waferoden
Marty fa thank you tawina bada wasanga otumoba da oboboy na Professor Kamina Banfu Eje probably will be a chair ya mission wadawoma all planning committee ani go mtrain pa mo hwe TV na obanyim kwoti onye antu Sophia obanyim nti edawo ya as da wotum na waboa na ibiza na wi aye bonkompo ya kwakọ hene chi de dwumezi biara etum na adede ya metima na pem ye hu ye dwuma yo ye Eje na ohwa cameras ni hina do na ma so na yeko oye MCR oye Ben ana no hwe MCR sam kasa na abba bebe wo biara anka Ben na wotum waye osana wan ya mi gine dan mu kotie mokro ama adasa awoso etumi hwe hin bebe wo bia ahono wo Eastern region ahono wo Greater Accra ahono wo Western region e dan ya fefirmanto fosu na nko ado da ma so na ya abra apena ewo abra ba where apen eja bedu yes apena bedu yankopon shop papa nti ye de bibiara si na mom meso yi bomazan kija mo former CEO wo ye Human Service Trust Owuraye Nancy Akofo wa ke baby nti the 28 29th ni na ye kwa keye nti ya mo mazina yi na yankobua ye betena so ni fie ho a wo oye maniko guest house opposite ho na ye betena si na ye meme ndazi fidazi ni na no nti ya mo mazina na ye na yankobua aye ebusia aye Owuraye Nancy Akofo na ebusia na untum na bibia so untum nkodo mezenezi Omar Bin Abdullah oye tumfo ala ne pe abefu besa ye shamba wo yambo ne tseya majeso woni mahiro bye bye.
At Cape Coast Technical University, every step forward is made possible by the generosity of our community. As we celebrate 40 years of excellence, we say thank you for helping us build the future.
I will ensure that the dream of constructing the proposed 40th anniversary student hostel becomes a reality. Finally, I will collaborate with the government and other stakeholders to address all infrastructural challenges as already enumerated.
We are really thankful to all our benefactors who have helped us over the past 40 years with your various donations in various kinds. Today we have a more pressing need, which is to help us put together a 2,500 capacity bed hostel that will help us admit even more people and help us reach our mandate of training as many people as we can with 21st century skills. So we are pleading with you not to give up on us. Keep on donating, and you are assured that all your donations will be handled in the most transparent manner possible.
We are in need of accommodation for our beloved students, and currently accommodate less than 10% of student population. Hence, the Vice Chancellor was able to put a team together known as the Legacy Subcommittee of the 40th anniversary to put up a design. And this design has a hostel capacity of 2,500 bed capacity, and is going to be on a 3-acre of land that the university has volunteered to give to us to put up this project. It is a 4-level building, that is a 4-story building, relied on solar energy, or what we call this renewable energy, where we'll be getting our power from the sun. And it's a green building that will focus more on natural source of ventilation and lighting as well. And the proposed amount for this project is 500 million Ghana cedis. That is what we are envisaging as the estimated cost. And as we have indicated, that is what this project seeks to address.
Your contributions have made significant difference in this whole enterprise, and we are truly thankful. Our hostel project remains a top priority with increasing enrollment and limited accommodation. We believe that this will be a game changer for our student population. We therefore call on all alumni and all well-wishers join the Cape Coast Technical University in this noble endeavor. Let's complete what we have just started. Every contribution counts.
To our alumni, your support has been phenomenal, and you have shown the power of unity and pride in our alma mater. Now let us finish what we began last year, and as you are aware, we intend building a 2,500 capacity hostel for students of our technical university, and we require your support and commitment. Now, if you have not given money yet, this is the time. Kindly come on board. Donate a peswa, donate a cedi to support the dream. Let's make it a reality, and your support will make the project a reality.
Greetings to you all viewers. My name is John Obeng, the current Cape Coast Technical University SLC president. We, as students of Cape Coast Technical University, are highly overwhelmed with the rapid increase in student population. Just this year, by God's grace, we've been able to increase our population by 112%, which is a good sign development. Nevertheless, this increase comes with a greater need, accessible and adequate accommodation. For these reasons, providing and enhancing accommodation is not just a means of providing a space, but a safe and adequate as well as academically friendly environment where students can strive.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Together, we've come far, but the journey continues. Let's build the future of CCTU, one brick, one bed, one student at a time. Thank you for believing in us.
All rise for your nation.